Whoop, jumping ahead there. We ended with these questions. What's an open dot and a closed dot? So we're going to just absolutely capture this in your notes today. But we have open dots and we have closed. Okay, so what makes them different? So open dots are going to be greater than or less than. Closed dots are going to be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. So that is our difference. And what it means to be an open dot is it means I can get as close to that number. So when I put it on a number line, and let's say we have 4, I can get as close to the number 4 without equaling it. So here I'm graphing n is greater than 4. So I would have a line that goes this way. So I cannot equal 4 because then I wouldn't be greater. But I can take the next number directly as close as possible, like 4.000001. That's a number that's greater than 4. So I can get as close as I want, but I can't equal that. So one thing that, if you're wondering, like, how do I know when do I do an open dot or closed dot? A shortcut that people use to remember is how many strokes or how many marks or picking up my pen does it take me to create this sign? It takes me 1. And how many does it take to make a circle that's open? 1. How many strokes of my pen or my pencil does it take to do my greater than or equal to? It takes 2. So to do my closed dot, I have to create the dot 1, color in the dot 2. And sometimes that helps people determine whether I'm going to have an open dot or a closed dot. So what does it mean to have a closed dot? It means that if I had n is greater than or equal to 4, then when I get to 4, I want to not block out the number 4. I want to include it as part of my solution set. So when I'm drawing this arrow, how many different answers can I get that would be greater than 4? We have infinite amount of solutions, and we include 4 in that answer. The last one that becomes an open dot, we just did it in one of our last examples, is the not equal to. So I can get as close to not equaling 4. I can get close to that number, but I'm not going to equal it. But I can equal everything greater than and everything less than 4 because those numbers will never just be 4.